Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video, I'm showing you how you can fix Google Chrome this site can't be reached problem. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So if you are seeing the problem like this, that this site can't be reached problem, so this is basically due to the two reasons. That The first reason is basically that if some websites are banned on your country, or government agencies or organizations that are operating them have blocked you, then you can see this error like that. And the second issue is that your website is not your Chrome browser or your Chrome account is not controlling that website. So how you can simply fix these issues? So firstly, what you need to do, you have to go to your Chrome browser, and then tap on the three dots which is in the top right corner, and from here tap on the settings. When you are here, simply tap on the privacy and security, and in the very top you can see the clear browsing data. Tap on that, and then here you can see the time range. So simply tap on the time range and then choose the all time, and from here you can see the browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. Simply select all of that, then you can simply go to the advanced, and here you have to also choose the time range to all time, and then here you have to again select all these three boxes, which is browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then tap on the clear data to clear all of this. So you can simply tap on the clear data, and it will and then tap on the clear again to confirm this, and it will clear all of your data's browsing data from your sites. So it will clear all of your data. So you simply follow these steps. So after doing all this thing, what you need to do, your second step is to open the Play Store, and from here you have to search for the VPN. Here find the you have to search for the VPN, and after that you can see the interface like this. Here you can simply download any of the your preferred VPN service, and then you can simply open your VPN. So simply go to your VPN and open that. After that, from here you can it will take some time, so simply, and then tap on the connect, then tap on the free server with add, and then here you can see that my server, I am connected to this server which is in the Singapore. So my current location is in Singapore, as I am connected to this VPN server, and my exact or IP address is hidden from my internet service provider or all other websites owners. So you can simply try browsing the website, or try searching the website that you can't do that due to that issue, and then you will be able to do that. So that's how you can simply fix that issue. You can simply clear all your browsing data, and then you can simply connect your phone to a VPN, or so that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends.